It's February. Welcome to another DualEntry monthly release. We've got some big updates coming in this one, and I can't wait to show you. Let's get into it. We've added a new running balance column in our report views. This will be toggled on by default in our balance sheet and general ledger reports, and can be enabled in an income statement using the column dropdown. For customers who do use it in income statements, the balance will always be calculated year to date. If you change the report period to start later in the year, you'll see a new row added with the cumulative year-to-date balance. It's a small detail with a big benefit. We've added the flexibility to allow modifications to records after they've been paid, reconciled, or have dependents. The setting is off by default. To enable it, head to your organization settings and hit the toggle, and then enable it for user roles as required. For example, let's say you need to increase the line amount on a paid invoice. You can now follow the usual edit flow, and you'll see its status update to partially paid. Importantly, this only works in open periods and does not override period locking. Our approval workflows have had a major update. Resubmissions are now easier to track. Any changes to records that are resubmitted for approval are now highlighted and notated for increased visibility. You'll also see a resubmission summary, and all resubmitted changes will appear in the audit trail. We know that getting sent an approval for every small change can be counterproductive. That's why we're introducing reapproval trigger controls. You now have greater control over what items trigger a reapproval and which ones can be ignored. We've also added a control in integration settings to allow transactions from integrations to be excluded from approval workflow policies. Less time spent in your inbox, more time looking ahead. The building here at DualEntry never stops. We're always looking for ways to save finance teams time, so stay tuned and I'll see you next month.